welcome back. Today we are at my daughter's house and this is her entryway, which is a little bit of a mess right now, but we are going to make it functional. It's actually a very nice space. This is a kind of a sunroom. It's an entrance into her house, but this is her actual door and this is the door into here from the outside. So a lot of windows, a lot of room to do stuff. I'm going to make I'll show you the mood board of what we're going to do, and I think it's going to end up looking really good. So, but today we are going to clean up things, speckle the holes in the walls, and start painting. And there's a big plate. There used to be a door over here, and I'll show you in just a second, but we're going to try to fix that with some drywall, tape, but we'll see. We're going to do the best we can, but I really think this is going to look really good in the end, and I can't wait to bring y'all along. We just finally took the Christmas tree down that they had put out here, and it was shedding, so, and that's a big one. This is what she has up here right now, just hiding the door was replaced. So we're going to work on that. She has a broken window. I don't know what we're going to do about that yet, but all of these windows are cedar, and we're going to put curtains because in the summer there's so much light coming through here that it gets super hot here. In the winter it's really cold, but as you can see, they keep their shoes on here. These are the curtains that she had picked that go up there, and I'm excited to see them up there. They're sheer, but it'll look really good. And then this side is a disaster. We're gonna work on the whole thing. Some of this is stuff I brought, but everything's gonna look a lot different. Okay, we're just about done with day one, and this still has to be taped and finished painting, but started painting on the door, which looks way better. You can see where I did not paint. Things are looking really good. Paint's almost done. Well, you got to do all the trim work and probably another coat everywhere, and then do this section, of course. But it looks so much better. It looks brighter, it looks cleaner. I can't wait to see the rest of it and put up the curtains and all of that. So I can't wait to bring y'all along. Hi, it has been 2 weeks since I've been back here. My daughter lives about an hour away, so sometimes it takes me a little bit to get back up here, but we're going to finish painting and putting up the curtains, and I hope you enjoy this beautiful day with us, because it is very windy, but very nice here. These are the curtains we're going to use. Very pretty. They are not long enough, so I am going to do color blocking at the end like I talked about in last week's video. So if you haven't seen that, go watch that. It's really cool. Now we're going to add them. My daughter bought these and they're really cute. Well, guys, it is the same day because my newborn grandson threw up all over me, so that's the reason why I'm wearing a different outfit if you're noticing. But I'm ending another day. I got a lot done today, but I'm exhausted, and the rest is basically finishing touches and doing one big area. We had to change some things up because this porch used to be an outdoor porch and it's unlevel, so the stand didn't go where I expected it to go. So we what do you call that? I'm tired. We pivoted on that and moved it, so it's still gonna look really cute. Can't wait to get it finished. Next weekend I'll be back here to finish up, and look at all that mess. I'll show you. If you can see. You see some of it? It's gonna look really good. Wait. We're ending the day here. I got a lot done. Painting is almost completely finished. That's cutting and everything. Got 2 of the windows in. I do have to get fabric for the bottom for color blocking, and we have a lot more cleaning to do. We're going to paint the floor, which might not happen yet. It might have to wait until more summer because the nights are getting too cold and I'm afraid to do it and letting it get too cold overnight. So I'm going to see on that, and we're going to pot a bunch more plants, and then just finishing touches. It's going to look really good. I'm so happy that my daughter has it to be able to enjoy it, because I mean, this is an awesome place to come out here and sit and enjoy in the mornings, have a cup of coffee. It's going to be really nice. So okay, so it's day 973. Not really, but that's what it feels like. Where we are is we have this wall done, kind of, not completely. It's been between all the issues, her kids getting sick, me getting sick, us not wanting to be around sickness. This has taken way longer than what we expected it to. So, but let me show you where we are now. Look at this. Isn't that pretty? And then we're working on this. It's not done yet. And then we're working on this wall. There used to be a door there. It's being closed up. And more plant. We have more plants. I just forgot them at home, and it's an hour away. So there's that. But I still have to paint the floor. Do a couple more things over here. I'm doing something over here. But that's the eerie screen door. Super creepy. I've been telling her that sounds like a scary movie. Okay, hold on. But the next time you see this room, it is going to be finished. It's going to look amazing.